Okay, so in this clip, we will be discussing that one big opportunity. Okay, so and that opportunity is like okay, so just the Indian economy forecast is by 2050 is like it will be a $30 trillion economy. Okay, so this has been said by none other than Gautam Adani. Okay, so we'll cross verify this one first, and then we'll see what all things are there. But see here, India is going to become a $30 trillion economy by 2050. Okay, but the question is, what will be the common person get out of this? Nothing, right? If they don't invest, they won't get anything. Okay, so this is, we will prove that this we will be reaching $30 trillion economy or not. So this will try to prove it by using simple mathematics, compounding, no exaggeration here. Okay, so this is by said by Mr. Gautam Adani in 2022. Okay, so let us see. This was, I checked this one. I will just show you the formula. This is basically maths, nothing any shoot in the dark. It's okay. So let us go to the formula now. So here it is. So in the current size of the economy of the Indian economy at in 2020-22 was $3.5 trillion. Right now we are in 2024, so it is 4 trillion already. So here if we project our growth rate is 7-8%. So by 7.5% in 20 it's 28 years, no? So 2050, if you subtract 2050 by 2022, it is 28 years. 20-year timeline, at the rate of 7.5%, we are reaching $26 trillion. So this is the formula. Okay, compounding formula. Okay, by 7.5% rate, and by 8% it will be 30 trillion. So it is there. So it is not exaggeration. Okay, it is there. So Mr. Gautam Adani is true here. So all this being said with after verification only, no. So it's mathematics only, pure mathematics, nothing. Okay. So now coming to the point that okay, India is growing at 30 and poised to become a $30 trillion economy. Right now, US is $21 trillion. No, okay. So yeah, that's the thing. Okay. So people are getting nothing. Okay, because they are not investing. So only how much? I mean, right now it is only 10%. Only 10% people have demat account in India. So you have to participate, right? So let us see. So consider this as a Indian stock market is a big party. Okay, and 30 trillion dollar size of cake is to be cut. Hmm. So you want to bite your share of pie? That's the question you have to ask yourself. Okay, so you have to join that party. So you want to have this pie, you have to join the party, because nobody is going to deliver that pie to your home, right? And if you want to have the cake, you have to go to the party, na? You have to join the party. So let's understand this. Okay. Okay. Now see here, but stock market is risky, right? We know, we all know that one. But risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. So if you go just randomly and try to buy and sell some random stocks, you will like you will burn your hands and money, na? Okay. So right training the key here. Okay. So those successful themselves are in the best position to train you better, isn't it? So you must have seen our promo video, now what kind of wealth we have created. Some all multi-baggers multiplied 5 times, 7 times, 10 times, and even 40 times also. Okay, double and triple we don't even count. Okay, so that's the thing. So we know the recipe. So yeah, so you know where to take your training now. So stock market is not a rocket science, right? So it is like any 12th standard student should be able to understand. Nothing much is required. You don't have to be genius. So any 12th pass can understand. So we have designed our course in such a manner that even a 12th standard pass student can uh, understand that one, even 10th standard, because what all multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, and ascending order, descending order patterns and percentages, only that much is required, no? And little common sense. So yeah, so that much is required and you're good to go, no? Yeah, you're good for in the for the stock market investing. Okay, now see here, we have right now this is an old figure. So right now we have 1.25 lakh startup companies, है ना? And at one point in time, all these companies will be listed, na, in the stock market, है ना? Listing happens, na, IPO. So see, all these companies at one point they will list, na. So see how many you have got lot of opportunity to invest on those stocks, good stocks, and create wealth for yourself, right? No, so your market participation is required. So if you think market is risky, then you take a training, no? So we'll teach you how to do it properly, है ना? ठीक है? So you should take like we are successful, no? So we know how what it takes to be there, no? So yeah, so we have designed a course, so you should also be successful. If you practice all those things properly, you should be good. Okay, so that is the whole thing. So this is all about the that one big opportunity. It is the opportunity, because the country is growing rapidly, right? So why don't you capitalize? Okay, so you have to just participate, and if the training is the issue, then we are there for you, no? Yeah. So that's the thing.